Welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, this is Richard Brown Films. I'm Jason Barnett, and you're about to watch another hit. Believe me, trust me, it's another epic movie, guys. I want you to tell us how you feel about it in the comments. Let us know, man. If you don't like my character, let me know. If you prefer me like the police, let me know. The thief, let me know. Right? Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and of course, make sure you share it. Send it to your friends, your family, everybody, man. You know, make the thing grow. So we feel good. Make me feel good. See it? Big up.
Just time. I must have a jail, man, prison, man. But I like to mean they at work and I make my money,
And they come and start drink out man money. Yo, you know say me I do too much talking with you.
Hold on.
No man, take out everything out of pocket, man. Jutawa.
Oh yes, it's another one, yeah. From Richard Brown Fields. But public report have me ask this a question. Hey, how you deal with a thieving partner? How you deal with a unfair friend? How you deal with a brethren? But think of him alone for money to spend, yeah. How you deal with betrayal in business with your friend, yeah. How you deal with it, yeah. Tell me how you deal with it, yeah. Men I like how people get me for food. No, mama said son trying to bother lose your cool. But Jaja, why you always who you just try to take up the food. But me a real madman, so me have to drop him the two.
I shot this.
Brand new chop, brother. Ah, not true.
Yeah, man, you look good, man.
Yeah, man.
You look good, man. How much you buy for?
5 million, man.
5 million. High though, man.
Yeah, not true. Feel like you rob me, not true.
Yeah, man.
Wow, but it's so pretty, man. You know, say
Yeah,
so
man,
pretty,
look.
man. Why, machine sweet, ma. Jesus.
Look good, man.
Yeah, man, I hit, man.
A good look, you know, cause.
How we this in a man? How we this in a shit?
Yeah, man, this look good, man. Now we have one truck where we can go and take up some supply and move around and get some stuff done, man.
I get 2 little delivery, we can do some delivery work.
Yeah, man.
And you can lock it, you know, man.
Yeah, man, but we need to get my license, though, you know, we need to get my truck license.
Man, we can just go buy one license, man. An easy thing, man. We have a link, you know.
But this not no green plate, pan it.
Yeah, man, that's why we go down to transport authority and sort out it.
Yeah, man.
But we can start look work with you right now, you know.
Yeah, man, we can do some work, I know.
Yeah. But tomorrow, I go down, so, you know. I'm going to build up a new police station. So we can get piece of that work.
Alright.
So, I make need if you just go and run off things on the side and thing, you know.
No, yeah, man, you know, so you can't trust me, you know, cause.
I say, yeah, boss, you know, man.
Yeah, man, you have nothing to worry about.
Oh, you feel like, say, you know, come around and you're boss, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But, see if we can do some work with the truck right now. Yeah, man. But the man, them, they run the start take lunch, you know, but want to put in some work right now, you know.
Yeah, I feel like the money I'm too much, you know, man. The money I'm doing inside more than anything else, you know.
More want to drive off our truck, you know.
You know, drive, man. Go on that car, man.
Why you look so? You good?
Can't go down with the answer. Can't good.
Alright. We don't really just want to show this man, you know, but there is no other time when we can do this. I don't know how much longer we can keep up with this. Like coming here, I take a lot of time if you find food every time when I come and make sure you see you get stuff. I'm not work. We can't afford it anymore.
So I tried to say, break up with me. Really? Camille?
There's no me not work.
Me boy, you can't, you know, nobody can get a thing from now and then you want 5,000.
You
and
know that,
appreciate it.
You know, say mommy alone and when she not have it, me dead for hungry.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm understand. Isn't it? Me inner so. Me don't know when me have come out yet.
You see me? But I love you and I not gonna fool myself. You look good. You know say enough man I look on you daytime when you walk past and I call off for you. You're browning, pretty girl, thick as, slim thick, rare. Just say if you find one man now.
What?
Just say if you find one man for go and fill in his space when me not did that now. Isn't me just do what you do and do it with care and caution. You see me? I know you not expect me if you tell you this. But me just a tell you the truth.
So me go find somebody and use them until they come out.
Yeah, we just make sure say I don't know what boy you chat to you know give no like a fool for it. Might as well just wait for me if you come out. You see me? Cause you know so when time you road you know so you're good. You see me? But it's just unfortunate when we get catch. So just find one man where you can see if you can go and chop a piece of food or find one know say, yeah, just make you know say you want cook or family or something. You know, just tell him something. Yeah, you see me? You know you're smart from here. You know say you're smart. Don't look for me so this. Don't look for me so.
Feelings and something for play with.
No, but just don't make your feelings get involved.
Me if it. Okay.
Don't let your feelings get involved. Is
It
it
be
me?
like a something easy I tell people to do.
We shouldn't even tell her that. No man and me I tell us if you get another man.
Big for benefit you, cause that have nothing to do with me, and this about you.
I mean, say no, I'm come out. You know I'm
Yeah,
come
but
out. You
not
know,
like that.
say no, I'm come out. Come. You know, me tell us me I go marry to you. You know, I'm come out and wait.
Yes, but not like that.
Yes, just do anything. You know why? What you mean you stop coming here and everything like that? Not that yeah. Me done there in a jail already. My mental state not too right.
You're not think straight, obviously.
Camille, just please, just think about it. Yeah, just think about it. As me said, just don't bother take up no little fool, man. No bother take up no little yeah, man. You see me, no broke boy, no fair chat here either. You look good, me I tell you. And I'm here, man, and me I tell you that. Me know you're smart, babe. Just do what you can, do, please. I'm just, me I get frustrated in this, babe. That's really even know. I'm tired of it, man. You see me? I should even know me if you think about you. For hold on strong.
Well, if it work out, we make it know.
Please, just do the right thing.
Much more could I get, but then I don't stick it.
Let her go, sir. Let her go. Go put your nice
Yeah. Love you.
Love you too, babe. I saw them like a security board again.
Hi, hello there.
Hi.
First I'm seeing you here.
I came to visit someone. You?
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope everything works out pretty soon for him.
Not anytime soon, but you know, fingers crossed.
Hope for the best, you know?
Right. So what about you? Why?
Oh, me? I'm doing some work here for them. I'm a contractor. So, helping to fix the place up a bit.
That's interesting. It's your business.
That's my business.
That's nice. That's good. How old are you?
Me?
Mhm.
How old do you want me to be?
You look 28, 29.
I guess I look young then. That can work. But what's your name?
I'm coming.
I'm Thierry.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Your hands are so soft.
Thank you.
What you doing after you leave here?
Nothing.
Would like to have lunch?
That would be nice.
I think that's a good idea. All right, tell you what, I'm gonna go inside and sort a few things out,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll come back. All right? You want to sit in the car?
You want to give me a ride?
Sure.
Okay, well, all right, I'll wait.
All right, give me a sec. Bam. going now? I know decide what you want to. You can get fish, chicken, whatever you feel from it.
I want to see the menu, I can make up my mind. Where
Okay.
do you like to eat?
Oh, yo.
Go on bad dog.
Go on there, go on all off the place, you know.
Well, prison life for cheat you.
They're going like say a bed of rose or a beach or a hotel me they like me they are holiday in.
What do you mean?
A jail me there, you know. I don't know anything set in a grind me. So I feel look out at my eye.
You don't feel say you should have the phone in there and go and bang the line door.
So I come like I take this thing with you, dog. We can't have phone in there, so brother.
Is
In
it?
them church place every day, you know. There's any thing tight, you know. Things this a part here in a power things tight, brother. You see me? So where
Anyway, and that me come link you for door. Money me come talk to you about still, you know.
yeah, you're not easy, man. To really see situation I mean, brother. And you come and say, go money that where to get money from.
Let me make you go in this, brother. And me I go want my piece of food daddy. Where you expect say? Where you expect say?
You don't say no rate, man, bro.
Maybe when it come down to business, a business, you know, bro. I said, I tell you, you should get the phone in there and go and bang the line down. Not nothing of that. Because I want my money. Oh, you get money. Oh, you get money then.
Brother, you know, now, the school come out, you know. 5 years or anything, from the school come on road. But it's have to just wait. To say me come on road, because, you know, we get money in that. Brother, be realistic, brother. Stop the delusion now, dog. Oh, I'm here. I think you're gonna come in and say, oh, yeah, bring some from me as
How
a
much here them get?
brother. I think say I get something from give me. I get some credit card, some
Money me come for fine out, boy.
brother.
How my money I go?
Let's get the come on. Me know I'm real pregnant.
Remember say me I talk to still, you know.
Me know I'm real pregnant.
I remember say me have powers. Here?
Anything you want, baby, my father. Anything you want, baby. I just say things. Why you come in a jail now? What?
You talk to me like you know the manners now. I'm gonna ask you how much here you get you to see you.
Brother, 5 years in a year, me I say. Say you not listen,
I
brother.
can't hear good. You want money now. You me I tell you last time I tell you I want money now. I want money now you.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
So, how was your day?
It was good, you know. What about you?
It was good. It was alright.
Was I okay.
So that's something about one construction company?
Yeah, I just started like a couple months ago.
Mhm.
Right now I'm really just investing in a lot of things.
What else?
Um I'm looking to get some more workers and stuff. And some excitement and thing. So taking a lot out of me. But I'm getting it done little by little, day by day.
That's interesting. Maybe I could be of help somehow.
Really?
You know, I would like to be an asset, not a liability. So
You know what way? What can you do?
maybe I could be an assistant or a secretary or something. I don't know.
You have experience in that field?
No, but you could teach me. I'm ready to learn.
Some have got train somebody again.
And that's fine.
As long as you're a fast learner.
I think I am.
You think so? Well, if you say so, we can do something.
That sounds good.
So when you want to start working?
Whenever you think
When
I'm ready. So, you got kids?
No, not yet, you know.
That's good.
Do you have kids?
I don't.
You don't?
No.
You see? I don't have any. You don't have any, so
And that's good.
that's good.
Yes, it is. We're getting to know each other, so When I reach the bridge, I cross it.
Ah, you just you're very interesting, you know that?
I know. I know. That's good. That's a good thing, right?
Yeah. I think that's a plus.
Okay.
So what happened to your last relationship?
It was toxic.
Toxic.
So I had to walk away. Here's the new beginnings. Yeah?
Cheers. Hey, you all going? Alright.
Yeah, my good me have good news.
Good news. What's the good news?
We meet somebody
Yeah?
and him kinda depend on piece of food.
Very good. Alright, I'm gonna need some things on my you know. We really need some things.
You know, I'm gonna start out and make you get the stuff then, but I'm not really comfortable with this.
Look, just do what you have to do, you know. You understand? As long as you have make sure so me I get some money. Because we need things in there. You understand? And as soon as we come out the road again, we can get back together. You understand? So whatever you need to do right now, and I like to me out there, me can satisfy you on instantly. So whatever we need to do right now, just do it. Just remember, you know, whatever you need to do, just remember say, yo, I'm all and Camille, you know. Right through, like Bonnie and Clyde. You understand? So as soon as we come out, we're good again. So just go and do what you have to do. And make sure so we get the money a week time. You understand? Just don't make you know about me, you know.
Well, him knows him have a cousin here.
No say I have a cousin. Well, me work with the cousin. You know what I mean? So if I know sometime you can call me to, you can send me a picture. You understand? Let me go and look for that so they will come out.
So you still have the phone?
Still have it, man. No worry yourself.
Alright, call me.
You can look on WhatsApp, you know.
Alright,
Yeah.
love you.
Remember, you know, while I come here. Yeah?
Yes.
Come on, man. Change your pose, man. Oh, eh.
Alright, let's take one together.
Yeah.
T, oh God,
What the hell are you there for?
what you do over here, sir?
You supposed to take 2 pictures of my girlfriend. Yeah, come here.
Nice to meet you.
Shane.
Hi.
Camille.
So you have who's over there? No, they have hold on so tight. What happened?
But we must be your cousin, you know.
Yeah, the thing good.
Cousin.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me and him work together.
Yeah, my
Well-
part of business.
You're the first relative I met for him, so.
Okay. Yeah. Because we close, so me surprised. You never even tell me say you have a woman in a bro.
We can't tell you everything, my yo. Someone are just, yo.
Alright, but they are over here, so go probably grab her one drink.
Yeah, man, we can have a drink with that one and thing.
Alright,
Yes,
that
we can have a
sounds
drink
good.
with
Which part are you from? Camille? Where you from?
I'm from the area.
From the area? From the first time I see?
Well, it's the first time seeing you. When I met him, it was the first I saw him, so.
But it's nice meeting you though.
It's nice meeting you too.
What's so nice? You know why you're nice, I meet my girl and a brother. Eh?
Alright, but we're there still. But we can probably grab her one drink.
Yeah, man, we can do that.
But how long we there together?
Oh, couple months.
Couple months?
Yeah, but couple months. Just cool, man. She start working the money, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, thing good.
Oh, say tick up girl, long time. Let's see. How far can this?
Yeah, you're Jamaican.
I mean, boy, sorry. Well, glad to see you, bro. Glad to see you. Glad to see you, man. Right now, actually, even though you know, man, I'm hungry, you know.
We're gonna get something to eat then.
Alright. Alright. Oh, yeah, drive army.
Go on around.
We say get bad for the driving, you know? Eh? Boy, God, no, man. I'm glad to see you, you know. Nah, tell no lie. Glad to see you, man. It's 5 years, man. I tell us, I think, boy, I feel 5 years, actually. I didn't even know.
You know, we have a lot to talk about.
There, man.
No, sir. May I check on the things them around there and need some more cement and some more sand.
You mean just buy some cement today? You know, sand out there, sir? Eh?
But we are gonna need more, man. I don't know if Camille they behind for the orders then.
No, man. I mean, I put in all of them, man. Everything good. See what I say? When I get some more cement and
Some more
some,
sand.
some more sand.
Yeah. We have enough stone, man. We we have stone and sand, but we need some more cement.
Alright. I'll make a deal with it then.
Wow.
Yeah.
But everything good though.
So far, you know. So far, I just want him in Europe and I don't know if it work, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cause...
Nobody not even up on the site right now. Which part in there?
Why? Come like they take lunch, you know. I saw them at work, man, I go on, you know, man. These people them for deal with, you know.
But I better if I just me and you do that work alone now.
But we want can do work at that. And the sun hot out here too.
Why rough?
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make Camille put in the order them and get 2 more man on the side cause you know go and good at all.
You know, sir, we meaning to talk to you for a long time now.
But what one?
You know, say Camille your woman. But me must say, you know,
man, I know.
me and your cousin, you know, we are blood, you know. So, why me not even want to say this, you know, because
Why?
I say your woman.
What Camille do?
Camille not do me nothing, bro.
So get us a bad more Camille, so brother.
But me not even say nothing yet.
But me know say I come with sitting here.
Alright. Me and your cousin.
Yeah.
We can't left the things them to Camille. Remember saying a few business now, are you a boss, you know? You see all the cement them, you know how much money she has spent on them? I better say me can go to a George place and get some better prices.
But you not can show her then, man.
Me can't show woman how to do things, you know. They love their own way, you know.
Remember say, you know, it all look like say me I try cut her out.
No, I.
Remember say woman here get corrupt, you know.
Remember saying, you know, and me and you start this, you know.
No, cause but yo.
You can't leave the things to she. Remember say your business. Next thing, you stop work and you left everything up to she now. You see business run done. I mean you should have make do things them.
Yes, are you for the deal with it?
Me nah say I mean you should have do it, you know, but me just a say. Me not really think say she should have do it. You understand?
So what you say? As she if you do it or you are gonna do it? Cause I'm confused, you know.
Me nah say I mean should have do it, you know. But me also nah say I know me should have do it, you know. But really and truly, I must say we are work hard in the sun, you know. And which part she there right now? Every day when we walk out just in a hot brawling sun, you know, she there in a AC cock up in a car, you know.
Still, I thought you. You have a point. But she just gone to my mother. Not too long, then soon come back.
And you need to stop give her so much vacation there, brother.
Not get no vacation there.
So which part she did there yesterday?
No, I think she gonna do some things.
May I go around there so I do some things. Just when the man them come back, tell them say, yo, come take up some of the cement and mix
What make
some
you not tell them that?
Are your boss?
But you're a boss too.
Make me a partner. By the way, when you gonna make me become a partner in our business? Cause me know say after a long time now you tell me
Hey.
say one of the days you gonna make me be one partner, you know.
Just school, man. Me want talk to Camille.
They mean I talk to Camille.
They mean have to run it through my woman. I mean you want to get kicked out.
I mean kick
You
out.
can't put me up. Just school, man. Just school. Me go talk to her. Me go talk to her.
Just do it off.
Yeah.
Just do it off.
Alright, babes, come here now. I tell you, say you want some gas. You hear me?
What is it?
I said, like, you want some gas.
Oh, yeah, okay, so I guess something.
Yeah. Alright, so. Let's say I go on, you know. Because my day back a road, you know.
Where you talk about?
Me day a road, you know, Zine. So, basically, me need you back with myself. You see me don't feel like me on outside, man.
No, sir, no. You understand where me I get money from, right? You understand how me I get the money?
Yeah, but the deal was to get the money and me come out, but now me come out now, so what?
Some if you tap out immediately because of the road. It not go that look right.
Yeah, I truly even know, you know. So here then. Get a work give me down on the site.
Me feel say you're not think straight.
What do you mean me not think straight?
Because you tell me something to walk away from want make the money for the boat and we know you tell me say you want the round and express with me I talk to.
Bring me closer to the money then. Me need, listen to me. Is either you come with me with the back. Cause you have car now, you know, me can go and drive you around the place and something see me. You look good in as a passenger princess. You see me? But is either that or you get me a work so me can go and make back some money and ease myself.
Alright, me get your work on the side. Wow. What happen?
I go and work and you go and you see me, you go and do the right thing. You still give me little when a time you come look for me and give me sort out see me.
You ever work on one side? Because if I recommend it, you have to make me look good, you know, you can't go there and be low, you know.
Listen to me now, man. I must say we just are going that I just recover.
That's why I want you give me your word so you go there and you go work for real because me don't want nobody. Listen, if you go and mess up, I meet them pray, you know.
Alright, here I know. Me put in my best. Because only my best is good enough.
Yes.
But careful. That's when I come down there, just be careful. Nobody do too much of the
You see why this is one bad idea?
It's bad idea.
Because what you mean?
So you not have to show me respect. You have to show me respect. Regardless.
So me not gonna treat him how me used to treat him because my cousin they at work now.
Just be mindful when they're around me. That's all me I say. Just be mindful. Yeah, come on. Alright now. I'm hungry now.
Yeah, but me have to stop back down the side. Hey.
What?
Yeah, good.
Me there, man.
How everything?
I do the little thing, but him and ain't gone for lunch for when. Yes, then come back. Where your mother?
She alright, she good.
Yeah.
She'll get better.
That's nice, that's nice. She and you tell me say we need some more cement and sand, so you need to order that.
I'm put in order already. Them they for come
Yeah?
soon.
Well, they on top of things, man.
Yes.
And the man them from my slope project. So I think we need 2 more good worker. So you probably have to go find 2 somebody.
Well, one, because, you know, me do want to talk to you about something.
Yeah?
So you remember my cousin, right?
Which cousin that?
The one who did the jail.
Oh yeah.
So him come out and, you know, him a go down on him face. Look a bit. So me I said, maybe I could have bring him on the side, you know.
Yeah. Him good like that?
Yeah, man, he can do anything.
And trustworthy and think I'm not no problem on the side, you know.
Yes, we are talking about my cousin.
Alright. Frank can vouch for him then, man.
So Monday, alright?
Monday, yeah.
Alright. Make sure you know I put in order already. When I come, I get the receipt.
Alright. So, come say Monday, I come.
Yeah, Monday.
So you yellow chain before you go.
Yellow chain? Not at all. Later. Shane, what, Graham?
Go on. Everything good?
Yes, everything is fine. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
So, how you gonna go on lunch too?
My son, because they are working on something, I feel right beside him, you know. Even though me and one partner, I'm still right hand.
Okay, Shane did I say you want some stuff, but I'm putting in the order already, so.
You see that? She dey on top of things.
Right.
Oh.
So soon.
Alright, look more.
Cool.
And she go find me work at it. So I get somebody else on the side for Monday.
Who that know?
One of her cousin?
Yeah, cousin.
Mm.
Alright, but I go for lunch now, you want to?
And water, because I watch my diet, you know.
Yeah, watch your diet, I not you have you know.
Oh yeah.
You say you don't feel away for you. Say I'm here to drive the car, don't you?
There no bother with the police.
In fact, me ask. No, me report.
Yeah, one.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
No, said this a Marlon.
Marlon.
Bless up, my boss. Bless up. Bless up.
Yeah, man.
Isn't it? So,
Alright, so I'm ready.
You ready? So, what you can do?
You can show up bucket, you can make
Yeah.
small things.
Anything
You
at
can do
all.
anything.
Alright. Good, that's good. So, I did there, load up the barrier so you can finish load it up and tell you what to do after that.
Yeah, man, any little thing you have, man, me can match up, man, you see me? Because you don't know, you know. Want to put in some work so I can get back on my foot, them, you see me?
Alright, fair enough. Well, it's a serious site, this, you know. So, we need it to be punctual.
Oh, so,
So 7 o'clock in the morning is supposed to reach already.
7 o'clock.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. If it's supposed to reach and they're here. You understand?
About from 7 to what time?
7 to 5.
7 to 5.
Yeah. Now, whole heap of work there. We have steel work, we have stone, we have sand.
So,
We
now
have
about how much?
mortar. You understand? Everything there.
So, about how much an hour?
Don't worry about that, man.
No, man, remember say out of correctional place, you know, and then done program, we say we have to get the lunch and then
Well, you're a labourer, so you get paid by the day.
by the day. Alright.
So 2,000 a day.
$2,000?
Yeah, man, remember say you're fresh, you know. So you have to start somewhere. You have a problem with that already?
No, man.
You know,
Come
right?
I'm good, man.
Alright.
here, you done talk to me, alright? Everything good, man.
Okay. Good. Yeah, man. So, I'll call it site, man. Shane! Yo! Come in, man.
Get up on. Wagwan Camille.
Oh.
How this?
Yeah, man, this a Marlana. Camille cousin.
Cousin?
Yeah. I'm with it say him come work, man. So I want to show him off you do, you know.
Wagwan. So you say I know theory.
So I want to show him how to go on, you know. I don't know if you want to make him move some sand or some stone or.
Wagwan new worker?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So you can do everything and anything, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ever walk past that before?
I can't do my thing, man. I just walk down when I build
No man, not touch up his son, brother. We are used to build a place.
Where does someone come from?
Don't play in the dirt, you happy? Don't play in the dirt, brother.
Alright, Shane. Just make him get one.
Yeah,
of those.
boss. Alright.
Man, I'm in charge, you know. So anything him say, I must say I'm run the side.
Shane, make him get one eye vest and one eye hat, alright?
Yes, no theory.
Yeah, man, make him get one eye vest and one eye hat them. You understand?
Alright.
You know, Shane.
Alright. Let me show you around. Come on.
Boy, man, I tell you, man, it's a way. Come in instead.
One bucket at our vest round it. You sure see the youth are good?
Yeah, man, I come here because man, I him just come from prison, you know, so. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, when you cut it out now, he can do the work.
He
Yeah,
can
need
do work,
to
you
overtake.
find
The
them.
first thing me I ask man if he walk on site before he can't even give one good answer.
Me no know. He
In
kinda...
fresh out of prison, you know, in kind of, but in good.
Eh?
Yo,
Me no know.
I'm
But...
go and show him around. Yo.
Yeah. Please, here.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
Tell you, saying just a come from jail.
Yeah, but you think he had nothing?
Yes, so what, I know he have the amount of energy where he take.
Yeah, energy.
Yes, because if he just a come from jail, all of that not say.
You only come from the only thing I know saying I'll up right now.
Yeah, so what time at lunchtime, my boss? What time at lunchtime?
You must say just come here, so you can't really ask what time at lunchtime.
I mean, in my constitution for ask about lunchtime, you know.
But, I must say you just start in the morning and like you even mix two cement or throw two black, you know.
Yeah, but me never say me hungry. Me just ask how when at lunchtime. You see me?
You can't take lunch now in next 2 hours.
Oh.
But, here off, T-Race, and if you go and show you around the place or make it do some work. Since you just a start, maybe in there clean up so you can probably take a shovel and just go and take up the dirt and garbage and put in a way back. And maybe there will just do some other work, you know.
Alright, no problem.
If there's anything else you want to know, just tell me. But nobody trouble cement or nothing around the side. No. Just do this.
Yeah, but no problem, my boss. It must be good for be the right hand man, don't it? Are you everything like just in case? Are you me fi talk to?
Well, yeah, you can say that, but me not really right on man. Me a theory cousin.
A cousin.
Yeah, man. But I me usually do everything for him, you know, because I and him start the business.
Then.
But I for him business, I am a boss.
Alright then.
So just go out this.
Alright then. No problem.
Mm-hmm.
For your cousin then everything good, man.
No. And by the way, me hear say you're Camille cousin too.
Yeah, man. I'm a cousin, man. Long time to we grew up together.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
By the way, me want to ask you too. How you go to jail? Me say you get locked up.
Boy, I actually didn't even know.
That's 5 years is a long time. I must want a real reason.
No man. I just tell you. I just the wrong place me today at the wrong time. Yeah.
Sorry for hearing that. It must be tough.
Yeah, man.
But don't worry yourself, man. Once you work, that's everything alright. Because T-Ray going to take care of it, man.
Yeah, man, no problem. But make sure say you not going to jail, you know. Cause you have to tough. Cause if you're too soft and go in there, I tell you, man, you then deal with it, man.
But me there on your side this all other work, so let's go and do it.
Alright, no problem.
But you can't take lunch in the next 2 hours.
No man. As I say, I never hungry. No, I just say ask her when at lunchtime because you know the constitution now. Cause my mind is so then in jail. You have to get breakfast, you have to get lunch, and you have to get liquor support. But you say if nobody now can nothing for you, and deal with that way, isn't it? So you have to make sure say you do good road so people can do good for your jail. You understand?
Alright, you need to get some.
Yeah, man.
One more somebody for gamble, man.
Yo, so me one no can gamble, brother.
2,000 game me I play.
Bro.
How much time you want waste, man? Just wait no man. Somebody
right.
somebody come here to play, bro.
What one?
Where are David?
Well, John was there, no, see me have a previous show, you know, general, no joke, no night.
Sit down listen, man.
Yeah, man, right, that's so. I know, say the one mile and the road star.
What you tell me, say?
Yeah, man. But,
Marlon that road and him not come link me.
Virgin, the man up on a big side contract, right, I know, star. Saying.
Construction site we are run, him a run it.
Boss, step on it. Some me don't know if I'm run about one. He might want to main man, pan we are work hard. So, we are play to them, you know.
$1,000 game.
Why I know say one game I play and first. Because they don't mean a
Yeah,
phone
man.
with anything. You see me? No joke, man.
5. So you say see yourself.
Yeah, man, me see, man. You want to see my little shovel here, shake, man? Work shovel. Like a backward. See, so like when I'm out on the road and now, out him go on good still, you know, because you know them police and them trigger up here already, you know.
Oh, stand man, no sell man. What you do with it?
Yeah, man, that's a 40, man. Watch out, people. Now lift up and you know, because I have some big up interview for going in the day, see me, because I can't make that mistake, see me?
Angry
So,
man.
yo, one next there, man. Big up on yourself, you know, so.
We links, Thomas.
Yeah, man, you know, man. Aye.
Yo. I've got PH him look more, you know.
Then that no must have to go on, bro.
Yo, that him irritate me, you.
How you man fi come on road? They are jail 5 years now. In the road. Are you first man is supposed to page?
Yo, we're tapping on energy with kid, you know. You hear me say that? No joke, man.
A different
Right,
man
man.
come tell us saying come on road. He no link here now.
I need to hide him hide then.
Styling thing, bro. Man shouldn't make nobody come up and tell us saying they are road.
I can take my feed, that no.
Come like you not see that.
You say a word, man.
Hi, babe. You know what I'm saying? The work stressing, though. The work stressing, you know. I need some help. Need more help for now.
What do you mean you want to employ more people?
Yeah. We need another work up on the side. Cause we not move as fast. But then Shane said I want to be one partner.
Wait, what do you mean partner? As a matter of fact, why we take one day and we talk about work?
I mean, they wanna still talk about the business. You know, so I can't just rest, so. You always upon my mind.
Okay, but what do you mean by Shane saying want to be one partner?
You don't help me with some more. And you have more things to do because we point to them in their yard. And him on the on the side, you know. I'm off to run off everything.
But it's so like you have vote for him.
So I not vouch for him.
Why?
I mean, you know, me and him did it almost every day.
Yeah, but I think you suggest something or you ask one question. It's so like you make up your mind already.
No, I ask you.
What the question?
You think if I make him a partner?
No.
No. Just no, so.
Yes. I not trust him and Shane already have a lot going on. Why you feel like say? I understand say him dead here no one don't look at me like that. I understand say him a play one good part, but for like make him a partner is not It's not a good idea.
But why is not a good idea?
Because you have to go train him.
Him not need no training. Yes, him already know
So
how
Shane
everything
can
go
go
already.
hardware and make sure the orders come in on time. Make sure the chuck up.
You saying I can help teach him?
But if you want to be partner,
Yeah.
why it sound like you make up your mind already?
Ah, you me ask me to make up my mind, but just ask you.
I'ma say no.
No, you say him can't go do it hard as him and you know
And me
go a
say,
hardware. I mean I say you can show him how to do all of that.
and you ask why me say no. Me say no because me have to go train him and go through all of that and use him already trained. Cause him dead already. But apparently you're wrong.
I feel like you have fight Shane so.
Me not fight against him, but
I
this is
wanna have something.
See, listen, Shane already have a lot going on, you know. He already have a responsibility at the site. Why would I want to take on more stuff? Me not understand.
So why you suggest to do then?
Make it stay as it is. What you think about it?
Anything I say, no?
No, but why your actual opinion?
Anything I say, I your boss.
Hmm.
So me I just tell him say, you say him can't be partner right now.
No, you're not gonna tell him so me say anything.
I mean no.
You're gonna tell him say you said that. You think about it and that was your conclusion towards.
But if you are boss, you for your word, you have to take your responsibility.
No, cause if you go to Shane and say that to Shane I gonna free me. Not that it matter, but you know.
So make it sound like you're afraid.
It's better coming from you. You are my cousin and you are the actual boss, so.
I mean I boss.
Yes.
Alright. Me I'll tell him say it can't really work right now.
Right now, so later on in the future then? It not gonna work overall.
And your ice cream, I feel like I like ice cream. Where's the no?
Nothing, T, nothing.
I'm going
Nothing,
somewhere.
'cause it sound like a something where you've been think about. One chain even said
No,
this thing.
no. Me I'm just with that whole
Yeah,
reason.
but when?
Yesterday.
A month ago. Oh, yesterday. Okay.
Yesterday we did just a whole little vibe, you know, on the site and at the same time realize we're gonna need more help, you see me?
What saying I feel like me I do a good job?
Yeah.
So you mean by we're gonna need more help doing what?
But I don't want you to work and kill up yourself too much. I just sit down in the yard and just look pretty and you know. No, you're on the side, man. A man thing that in a man.
Yeah, put in a word for Shane, man. But tell Shane say it now, word.
Boy.
Just make him alright.
Hope one day two you can see eye to eye doing
You
know.
upset him.
So Marlon, you know walk.
You're alright, I'm tired enough, man. I wish part the boss there.
Who Tyria? In their yard with Camille. I must say to that in the office, you know, so them probably do their work, you know.
So Camille and link me, man, and make me know, yo, that's why, me tell me, you see that girl there, brother, I can't deal with her more, you know, man. What I mean in their yard?
Brother, in their yard with him, man, you know, so them probably have some fun. Come in, because you try really go hard, you know. Brother, I remember say your cousin, you know, say, I have to go and relax yourself, you know.
Yo,
I'm blazing, man.
yo, Marlon. Yo, Dan, forward the man.
Yo, just time. God, no.
Over there, man.
If I'm not there for the police, you know.
You mean call the police, over there, man.
Boy, good to see you, my boss. I tell you, say, I just come in, man, and I say, I call link you, but through me not reach your foot yet.
Yeah. 5 years now you're there prison. Hey, you're going to kill a member say who will money you.
Just alright, I just come from jail, you know, man. I have to get back myself together, you know. I have to recuperate.
Me no matter what you want to say, but watch you now, it's a construction site this year depend. Hey, you know nothing if you sell something and fight and give you money, you know, it's bad man.
Yo, God no. Yo. Just give me some time now, just around.
And at that we not have time. At that we not have, bro. So do what you can do. If I even tomorrow me I link you back, daddy. Do what you can do and make me get my money, bad man.
Alright, hold on. Nobody too loud up.
No, load up thing, daddy. If I say if you don't want it load up, better do what you do now then, no.
Alright. Alright, everything good, man. Me make I get the money. Zin?
You hear what I'm saying?
So make we get it.
When me I get my money done?
Alright, give me buy until next week, Friday. We make I get a piece of food.
Watch them. You see? So like how you do up here, so day me and send somebody come until they send my money come down. Because I don't want to do nothing. You hear?
No, man, nobody get it.
And I don't want my voice get loud neither. You hear?
Alright.
5 years now you have a place in my brother. I come in and my first money show I link to you.
Yo, me make I get the money just around, man. No worry yourself, man. Yo, hey boy, stop look for a man so too, you know. Cause you know some man thing grind me see me, you know. Watch me go to jail and come back, you know. We must meet. God no.
Marlon, come back over here, sir, brother. How them man there?
I know say I'm a church brother them. Yeah man, we used to go to church man back in the days man, but I tell me say pastor want build up a church and you know I want some help. You see me?
Marlon, me look like a idiot?
Easy yourself now man, I'm here man. That good man, I'm here. I could just finish.
Answer my question, me look like a idiot?
Yo, I'm here and everything you have to know in the youth. Some things you have to see and some things you have to left alone, you know.
Marlon, remember saying, I'm a cousin works like this, you know. And me and your boss, you know. So me have to make sure so me know about everything what go on the side. 2 man come here, go and check you.
Alright, watch out now. Nobody run up your blood pressure, man.
What kind of blood pressure?
You worry about your cousin. Don't worry about your cousin, brother. Remember say man don't have anything going. Right now I'm making sure I make some money, you know.
Yo, no come back to me with the talking there, you know. I don't want to hear them
No,
talking.
just listen to me. Just listen to me. Me say me have a deal, bro. Me have a link of people we can. You see all them stone over there, so brother. We can sell them.
Take a versus, I'm going back to work. Move right in front of me, brother.
No, but I feel like I said you even politician them yesterday, you know. You feel like say they in it because they want to do nothing for the country or they mean the country not good. A power, brother. Corruption and money and power. That's
so
all.
So you tell me say you're corrupt then?
No, me not corrupt, but I just tell us strive to tell us say yo, we have to eat a piece of food. I'm hungry too, you know, man. Want the money, you know, man.
I mean, I tell you, just don't make nobody come here and start no problem, you know, brother.
Don't worry about that, man. Just not tell them, yo, watch out now. You link up the buyer, you know, and you get for a piece of food, you know, for cement.
Move.
Yeah, you're too afraid, brother.
Yo, team. You know, say, I need to ask you about the thing when me reason you about.
Which thing that there?
Remember when me asked you about the partnership? I've put me in business as one partner.
You know somebody I talk to Camille about it. And Camille I say, yo, she don't really want me put no more pressure upon you because you know how you things set already, you know. And you deal with most things already. So I don't want pressure you, man. Make you just go and do one regular work, you know. Well, that sound.
You know, some respect you do and anything I say, me work with it, but me don't feel like I'm gonna rate me, no, brother. Like you know how hard me I work. You know how much me I get paid a day if you just do a regular work. No? You feel say a long time no stop with me as well. I'm not telling no lie. You understand what I say?
I see what you're saying now. But Must I think kind of set away right now, man. So, I try match up a few things. Probably in the future, man, we can revisit it again. You see me?
Bro,
But Camille, not have your man. I don't know your feel, so, bro.
alright. You see if I you did that tell me say yo, me fi wait little time before you put me as a partner, but I understand you. But you tell me say you talk to Camille.
But no, I'm a woman, brother. I'm not fit
Yes,
talk to her.
you're a woman, but me not say I know you're a woman. But at the same time, you can't make sure decide certain things, bro. Remember, say me and you comes cousin, and me and you blood, me and you family.
Me have blood. I know anything, man. Anything, I feel me, I feel to you know. You have all I talk said we upon the side. You tell all this man. We need even know if it might make sense.
Yeah, man, it might do you, man. So, Marlon,
Yo.
Why?
buy something. So, you're ready, you can take lunch here.
Yeah, man, respect.
About there, there.
Alright.
Can't take it Tuesday.
Nah, respect. Yeah, man, respect. Let's set everything up.
Man, everything up, man. Everything up.
Yeah, man.
Boy, man, tell us back in the jail. All them time I'm in the name it, you know, man. I'm in the jail, them time I'm in the name it.
You can't take a break, man.
Oh.
Come on, doing work, man. You're not too bad. You can't tell us, I'm probably the first time I work on my side.
Me can't see it.
Mm. But back to what me there say. Bro, you can't let family to make certain decisions. You say I'm
Yeah.
here, your family.
Yeah.
You say if I do you at them, I say, oh, we can't get the partnership yet. More than understand. But I'm not too sure like a Camille decide, say, oh, she ain't not ready for partnership.
Oh, Shane, me don't know who make you stress about the partnership, so, bro. Eh? You not alright right now?
Bro,
Talk it true, man. Tell me say you're not alright.
yes, me alright, you make sure it's me good, but bro, think more this.
So you make you look so, man.
Think more this now. Remember saying, no, me not have a drive for myself now.
You soon get that, man. Things in that pipeline, no, man. I'm telling you,
You buy Camille, or Axe here, you know.
yeah, man, because I must come in for the day-to-day runnings and deal with the house and something, bro. I know that go already. Sitting in that pipeline for you, man, I'll make it happen, man. Or before a year end.
Give her a chance from bad man, but
Ah, you want to make it then?
no, more than never tell us say you know for drive, bro. Me alright, we gotta take taxi.
What's that? Easy with the bun, brother, man. If you chew your food, you know, man, and drink little water same time, man.
I'm good, man. But I true. You see in the jail, you know, get them a big old bun, you know, man. Some little piece of something, you know, brother. I tell you, man.
That's how I did it. You're hungry then, man.
Rough, like
Night
that.
at your yard.
Should I buy one next one then?
Yeah.
I'm good, man. I'm
If
good.
you make your woman feed, you know.
Boy, man, brother.
You find one woman, man, you just come out of jail.
Yeah, man. Brother, I know say I'll depend, you know, man. If you find a woman, man, jeez. Them are not serious, you know.
Sample.
Why, man? But here, what?
Yeah, I mean, like this, no, man. Posters help me, no, man.
You know, I'm a big man.
You don't know fingerprint, now.
Brother, me use me rub this out, brother.
Man, you know say about it, man. Shit, yeah. Never make 2 calls, but
Number 2 car.
know yourself, man.
Bro.
Me go fix things.
Alright, just think about it,
Yeah.
man. No make Camille make no decision.
No, fix things, man. Know yourself. Go and be with the place here.
Yeah.
Mal, and come more.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
Go on.
No, it's your business building like that, but
This power here. Let them narrate it. There's no way you're in family. And you man literally put woman over your dog.
Brother.
You better buy you the little car and know say, oh, you gotta do your thing.
Come on, T you alright, man. Ain't woman that problem, bro. You see Camille, she don't rate me, dog. From T Ray say, yo, she put she in her business. Business just start for water them, if me be honest.
Camille a good girl.
Me not try this side, you know. You know, so you're not our family.
No, but me I tell her, brother, I Camille make a place look good right now, man. I tell her, Camille I do the right thing. Right now, Camille even Camille even talk good things about you to him. And he nah.
You
You see me?
Me not say all of y'all telling you, but I don't really believe that, you know. Because if she talk good things about me, why she don't want me to become her partner?
Yo, you see Camille? Me and Camille are family, you know. But in the favorite family come first. And you see if me and Camille come first, you know.
Bro, listen,
Anything we do, Camille come first, you know.
listen to me. Me know Theory a long time, and he man no liar. I him put me through art school, you know. And him helped me to start this with him.
That's why I mention and I look out for your brother.
I woman have a problem, bro. If me talk about this no longer, this probably drain my energy for the rest of the day, you know. So I get back to work, you know.
Yeah, man, I say, I can't put them this up on your head, man. You get me, I say?
Brother, you know how much time I do overtime, and I mean want to work on the site.
Brother, I just
I
say,
mean not get paid for that. I'm not really business about that. But at the same time, I feel like me I work hard enough to become my partner. But
brother,
so-
you feel work for have your own. That you feel you feel focus on have your own.
but
I think everybody want partner in a business, man. Eh? You feel have your own, man. As me say, Camille a good girl. Good girl. Me I tell her that. I'm a cousin. I mean, I'm vouch for my cousin, but me I tell her say, inside out, Camille a good girl, brother. Yeah, when you select them, I come in.
I can't mean supposed to tell me when you come in, but she not tell me yet.
Yo, hold on them. Yo. Since I got them on there, you know, man. You be no partner, you know, man. I sell for yourself so cement or so any little thing off our side. Cause them they not missing.
You hear what you said to me?
Me say if you sell a bag of cement, no one then.
Let me teach you something. Every thief is a liar and every liar is a thief.
You say man, no that brother.
Me not do that.
You know my money?
Brother, me I work hard for my honest bread and I save up my money.
Brother, you don't want no money, brother. Me say it's you don't want no money. Yo, where you gonna do? Continue the walk behind him man and tell the man about partnership. Him man I get an eye one day, you know, bro. All me I say, just think about it. That's all I can, you know. Because me have a link. Where right now any amount of cement dog. The man ain't willing to take care of our way on. You see me? You see all this stone there? Prize possession.
Yo, listen to me. Me not take no off my side, bro.
say last night, whole time the internet go, you know. And then bam, by the time the internet come back, result come. Something alright, brother. Something alright.
Shane, Marlon. We're gone.
So I make your face look so.
Oh, my face look.
If you don't come in and give you something, you give you money like you don't want to give it. Eh?
So when I check the envelope, them like couldn't know what in there.
Me know what in there, but me have to check my money. How the money I look, sir, though?
Oh, it look Shane?
The money I look short, man. The money I look short.
If it's short or over, you have to take it up with Thierry. That's not on me. Marlon, give me a word.
Brother, me don't like how my money look right now, you know. Yo, bro, me don't like this, you know, man. My money look sharp, brother. This don't look right, bro.
So me I tell you about. That's why you have to hustle, bro. Anyway you work and you not get no good pay, no, man. You have to do little side hustling.
But brother, this is not usual amount me get, bro. Money I look short.
Your cousin not rated, dog. I tell you that already, cause first thing first, I should be a woman to come pay you.
You know much time me tell him that, bro, say I know she should have paid me and him should have give me money in her hand.
That's why you have to do little side hustling and then just sitting there. Just think about it half what me tell you about. Think about it, dog. Put me so forward. Camille.
Come here. You realize to me your boss?
God no, Camille, me feel away. Look for when me not see you.
Cause me busy around one business.
But Camille, me must say me there to you, me must say me a man to you, me must say you have to make time for me just to see him. What you doing?
Marlon, you do understand the situation where you get yourself in. All you have to do is have patience and have manners.
You actually even know, man, I want to see you come here. A long time I don't see you, no, man. Even other day, me come here in a day, whole time. Man, I want a little thing and ray, I can't see you. You have to think about me too, you know. What you want me to mash up, what you want me to mash up the dolly house?
Listen to me. First of all, you get we in another situation here now. This was your idea. So now me I try to keep things on a level. Yeah, boy, yeah, mash up the house.
Yeah, but me must say you still have to make time for me. That's what I'm trying to tell you, Camille.
Yeah, but I know so it go. It's not as easy as how you make it sound. And when me available, I'm just not available right now.
Yeah, so you must say, you put the extra on this.
You see extra on it?
So I can't get paid. My money different. Me and him, I got the money, I'm supposed to get the same amount of money.
Why not?
Yeah, I'll walk on now. Shane!
Walk on. Yo, more talk to you, you know.
Yeah, dude, no. Hold on there. Yeah. What you say?
Boy, right now, me upset, you know.
Upset with what?
Yo, Camille just come pay me, you know, brother. And when me look upon the money don't look like I amount of money me supposed to get. I walk on. She said me fi talk to you.
Yo. Shane. A whole lot of things are going on, you know, man. Remember say inflation gone up, you know. You see me? The money not coming as fast, you know. And so me still have to do everything. Plus, he man for your place. I send in the money. Little. Pay excuse me I get. And the work have to go on because we have to do the place. You understand?
Me understand what you're saying, bro, but...
So I soon fix things, man. Nobody meets Camille too tough, you see me? Because I want me give her she have to work with, you see me?
So you say I can see you later?
Me no know. Thierry I go there later.
Look, Camille, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Yeah, and that's, yo, man, I tell someone, me have my needs and wants. So what you tell me, say?
I will let you know later. Thierry will be there. If I can make something happen, we'll text him.
No, just do your thing.
Alright, if anything, look more.
Alright. I can't do it.
No else there in our bus.
No, sir, nothing else not in there.
Yo. What man the bet man?
Brother, me ask him why going with the money in and man tell me say because of inflation and because of politics and kind of bullshit.
Brother, inflation or nothing, money not that not supposed to affect your money, you know. If it inflation is supposed to Europe is supposed to go up too.
Brother,
So what tell I say?
me not even try pre man or nothing like that, you know, my cousin, you know, but yo, me think me gonna have to take you up on your deal, you know, bro, if you try this on hustle, you know, cause it's not feel right.
Like you come to your senses too, man, I'm telling you like.
Brother, what you do? I know Mission Impossible this man, I need them there.
You have to look out there, man. You know the things that.
When so we had to know, me open up the cabinet, you know. Cement them there on them, ready to take it. When so we had.
So we have wait for the man them, man. It's then so far, so you know, and them me have wait, man.
Which man them?
Church brother them, man.
Brother.
No, watch out, man, just relax. Just relax, we got this.
Bro, you tell me say you want with your teeth 5 bags of cement. Why you tell me say you call next man if you come help me?
So, where we have to put the cement them in? Watch out, man. You can't make police here with cement at night, you know, man. You lock you up, brother.
Brother, you tell me say you would get a vehicle and me and you would do the thing. Me never know say I could call somebody else. Me don't want nobody to know say me and do the engineer, brother.
You say, man. Yo, listen.
Yeah, man.
Yo, so brother Smith and brother Williams.
How old is
Shea.
Brother, not call me name to them people.
No, man, everything good, man, everything. So you say? Most
Ready?
ready?
Yeah, man.
Yo, listen to me. Just deal with no have to do. Me go and watch out. Just remember, you know, 5 bags of cement. 5.
Yeah, man, that's all right. Come.
Don't worry, sir, man. Just hold on upon this, sir.
Look out here.
Yo, hurry up, man, before it. You probably should.
Watch out now. Just watch out the place. If nobody have come and just show.
What kind of church, brother, them here?
Relax, man, with this.
Brother, hurry up, you know. Yo, sometimes I can't bother, you know, man. I don't know why I take up myself on the day, bro. Can't believe this, man.
Yo, one 5 bag, you know. So you're 8 there, so and some there around me, so we just take up 5. Then I feel so.
Yeah, you want to clear off your bill or what? I now come and so come take a 5 bag of cement. I'm not petty. You hear that? 15 bag we are take you. 15 bag we are take. Nah, make him see. Yo, let's start with more. Watch it, I'll drop you on the pan.
You are chicken, we are jerk. Why it take so long to take up 3 bags of cement?
Yes. So you know, plan to come look for me. When I get my time.
You just have to have patience about me doing me the right thing.
Patience.
Yes, Marlon, patience.
Yo, that man I get too much attention, man. Most of me just come out of jail now, me still have enough. You see me? Do the right thing, man. Watch out. You tell something. You know,
No, just relax. You can't touch me if them come over here, Marlon. Just keep your distance and talk me at hear you.
What me I try to set is me sell couple bag of cement and then I mean, I want a piece of money.
What you say though?
You want a piece of money and me sell couple bag of cement them. But if that the man they ask for them and say themselves.
But I not say it work if you want money you come to me decide me and reason why we are do this.
Something for the load up the thing every minute me ask him cousin for money.
It better you do that than go take his cement them. Where me how much bag of cement you sell?
Listen, them the
How much bag of cement you sell?
what me take now, listen. What me take now?
Marlon, how much cement?
15. What me take?
You sell 15 bag of cement and nobody not gonna notice that?
You know what I'm missing? I don't like say, you know I'm missing man. That man don't miss. Just like that.
Who know about that?
You and me.
What kind of foolishness this second job mean I know? You're stupid?
Listen to me.
But
Look, don't pass up here, son. Don't pass up here, son. Remember, one thing, man. Yo, me mash up this other you was saying, man. Me I tell you someone damn piece of man, one for the pop out. Come ask for money. Them the little cement that me take, nah, missing.
It's like you light down a drill house. You light down there. Because if you mash up or go on right here, so you get caught tonight too. Say you're not doing nobody.
So you go bash it up.
Anna, you say you go mash it up?
Me I talk about if me I tell you if you tell nobody so me take your cement name that me I try to tell you.
Who me I go tell you text cement?
Oh, that's it. Me just want to know so
If I go come back to you and if I come back to you.
Me just want
Nobody not heard from me.
just want to know so we're on the same page, just all.
Yeah. Listen, you understand what you do? Eh? You realize that me got hardware and me angle the money and me under the receipts them and every receipt T get?
You understand say me a man too? Yeah?
I know that we are talk about.
So why whole point of this? Camille, why whole point of this?
Where I will point of what? Marlon, listen, me carry out the man place you can make some money, right?
You know that me I do?
Yeah, steal and you do it the wrong way.
You take too long to carry the money come in time of Friday date. I want to feel like something. You know things to them. Come out of jail and man up their life now you come waste man. I'm telling you man.
This wasn't a good idea. I mean, do you know from the starting I should have never make you convince me.
Bro, they know if me I check the cement then. And so cement like missing man. Cause the amount of work you do not allow. So what one? Man, I waste cement or what?
I probably my way some cementation from say you know. When I was a clean up the place or something, so probably in bus for one bag of cement or maybe Camille probably not give a big cement good in terms of bookkeeping.
You feel like you come now by the right amount of cement.
No, I'm saying to you know, I boss, you know, so I always left things up to she, so I don't know if maybe she not count.
But when you major make money, you tell her exact order. So I say that 50 bag of cement. And a 50 bag of work, miss.
So
About 30 bag of work.
so
And the cement done.
so how much bag of cement is this?
About 10 or 15. I would pass cement, you know. Hey, you see if we can't find out what happened.
No man, no worries, man, no worries.
They'll come out of somebody paying.
We can probably take you out of Marlon here, but no worries.
No man, somebody have to pay for it, man. They can't waste so much cement, man. I'm mad.
I'm telling you man.
Just done, cause it's TV and chain there.
Yo, me say grandma to backside. Me say grandma! Stop!
Marlon.
Yo. Well, I'm there. I tell her something about grandma. Because when time when my little cousin grew up in the man, mate, I tell you, say, when man ever beat it two away, it's like he never want to see it two away together yet.
Come here. You know, say, some cement missing. Or, I don't know if I'm missing or a waste them a waste. But between 10 and 15 bags of cement, can't count down. I'm going to see that the amount of work go over there. So,
I'm not sure what we can check it out.
sure, you order the right amount of cement.
Yes, me give you the receipt them.
You count it when you reach.
Me give you the receipt for every purchase I make. So obviously, maybe I want a man they make mistake when the order drop off. Because the last order me never did it.
True, man, because I wonder if cement them missing a little bit. You know, cement them look like short now.
You waste nice cement.
No, boss, I don't waste no cement.
I remember seeing you, you know.
Bossy,
Mm.
me not trouble no cement when it belongs to me, you know, man. Me do where work require.
Yeah, what you think? What you think?
I don't know, man. I must say, me focus on work, you know.
Me
Maybe
must,
Camille, I do some bad bookkeeping, or maybe she, maybe Marlon.
no, man. Me must say, no. Every 10 yards, that's sold, you know, man, a 20 bag of cement, you know, so you take a lot, and the material then short, so you take a lot of cement. You throw more
So that
cement.
means say I mix it too rich then?
Probably, the more cement is stronger.
What?
The more,
But no, you make it work, can't done. And when I know money for your budget, you know, so we have to take you out of somebody pay, you know.
I gotta take you out of Marlon here, man.
Wait, slow down.
that's not necessary.
Somebody have to pay for your cement, you know. Because it can't disappear, so. So what you going to do for me?
You have to give the receipts them where you have and me calling a place and
You
check
can
my
Marlon
bank.
go right now. I hear Marlon say mix cement into rich, you know.
Marlon, so where you do? You take
For your cousin,
accountability
for your
for the
family, you know.
missing 15 bag that you do?
Marlon. We mash up the cement.
So
Me
you
not
try to say, I
But you say you mix it
Yep.
too rich, so me try to find out where you say.
No, you know, rich. I just, as you may say, me use what is there. But me don't know about no 15 bag of cement will get stolen. Me don't know about that.
You need to stop talk. Stop talk.
This don't make no sense, no. You understand? So me need enough to sort it out so we can move forward.
When the 15 bag of cement go missing?
Me don't know, me just check it a while ago. Just not too long when me left the side. Me
So
check it.
you never noticed the 15 bag of cement go?
I must say, we are working, you know.
So you fi know, you the first time fi know say 15 bag missing.
But I don't mean no much cement today. I know you are the bookkeeping. Yo, T-Ray, no bother run up your pressure, brother.
No, you don't need for that, because I figure it out. I go sort it out. You hear, Marlon? I go sort it out.
Me don't know nothing about that. Me I tell
Better
you.
sort it out.
tell you.
Tell me.
Phone or eat?
We good, man. Just,
I don't feel.
am I water this?
Yes.
Yeah, no, axe still up
We
there.
good, man.
Axe still up there.
You know what to eat?
I want to buy Max still. No matter about Oxtail. What pay for this? How much are the Oxtail?
What do you mean, what pay for it and we buy them lunch?
So you buy them Oxtail for lunch?
Boss, no must have we get lunch now. You know,
Yeah. You get fried chicken, curry chicken,
No.
something.
you never.
You see me at Oxtail?
Me not eat chicken.
Yeah,
boss.
eat Oxtail.
Be calm down. Stop.
No,
You
man,
feel like
you
right here.
calm down, man. I don't know. So, on top of things that go missing, you spend out
See, done. Just loud.
No, man, where you go? Where you go?
Yeah, if all the man feel like him body put in for another person, just mean give him the back line in the face.
Yo, we not even go answer what you just said. Brother, first thing, you tell me say 5 bag of cement, you and the next man I take over.
Yeah, me take up 5 for me, 5 for you, and 5 to come here.
Brother, 15 bag of cement? You could never just take up 5 and 1.
You don't want the money?
Brother, with most of the one bad idea this thing. 15 bag of cement? You don't think you would have realized?
Brother, stop worry yourself, man. Camille know for them, man. Camille rub one.
What do you mean Camille know?
One rub, Camille rub down his ears.
So wait, Camille know about this?
Hmm?
That you tell me?
No, Camille don't know about it. I just chat me a chat. Doesn't make Camille know.
And you could have never just take something cheap off it. You say you want oxtail.
Brother, I want to you. So I'm not name good food.
Brother, you
Enough it-
could I just easily buy one banana and cheese, you know, instead of oxtail?
Brother, I'm not name banana and cheese, brother. I'm not name them this. What you want me to do? You me eat what I like, brother. Me eat what I like.
Brother, you're in a prison for 5 years. What you know about oxtail?
So if you feel like I said prisoner and name good food, you have people who can't tell you this. You have people who have them family who can good food come in there, brother. If you not get nothing in a prison, you're not nobody, man. I'm telling you that.
Me I say, yo, this is the last time. We not going to piss ever again. Me tell a friend now.
Thing will come final.
God knows.
Yeah, man, where I say God know. Every minute I talk about God know. Give me a rum too. I talk about God know. Yo, give me a rum and come deal with me and say, but brother, I'm here, man. Two are we, you know?
Brother, watch out, man. Are you alone? Me know about that.
Alright. Where are you with?
They are going easy, man.
It can't easy when you have more money for it, dog. Alright, do you do nothing like it easy?
What I mean, deal with it. So what?
Give it.
I'm saying, no, man, you sell the cement, them, man. They may get the money half of that, man. What good you know? Not know enough. Brother, I'm not talk to you.
Daddy, give me rest of money, Dan. I will not happy, yo. Give me rest of money.
Look around. I say I deal with my boss. I say
Come in, man, just the free way up, make a move, no, man. It's not a long thing, brother.
Good. Yo. How much you get for your cement then?
You know where you have now?
How much you get for your cement then?
Much you owe me.
I want
Question not coming at this, brother. Here. Where you do?
but that me have.
Look here. 5 years you're there prison, you know, Dan. So inflation come up. Daddy, no ramping me, you know. No ramping me, here.
So what on? Me there jail for 5 years now.
And you come out and...
Me not working at jail.
Daddy, come up with the rest of money.
Just around. I must say me there jail, you know, man. Prison, you know, man. But I like to me there work and I make my money, you know.
And they come and say, drink out man money. Yo, you know, say me I do too much talking with you.
Hold on. Just.
No, man, take out everything out of my pocket, man. Jutawa.
Hold on, my boss, hold on, do.
Hold on, do what? How do you, man? Hear me a say, man. Listen what me a say, man. Listen.
How you get the money?
How me I get the money? Alright, so I'm gonna come back, let me not get more money, I see no. Yo, stop ramping me, you know how much people murder already, youth. And come like you want, yo, come like forward.
Really?
Don't call me name neither, man. I want to some boy. I come tell man about them a Dan Kingston. Eh? And I move like a big country boy. Him and him girl. I want to them. Funeral. Hear me now? A jota rhyme. Hear me now, man? Better than them boy there. I'm look a sister can't kill them. Play with him eye.
You know, say him there calling dog. Come in.
Brother, where you do on me yard? Where you want?
Brother, how you deal with me, sir?
Brother, me I ain't a friend. You're supposed to come chat to me on my yard, bro.
Listen to me now. I have a better plan, brother. What you may say? Mr. T where you do want truck. How much is that the truck they want to buy? Because someone tell me say a $10 million. I mean I tell someone say it didn't even reach $1 million for that the truck.
You know what, say? Me not gonna keep up the argument here with you. Bro, you see whatever you think,
No, I don't think nothing. I just try to tell us how I rode in the streets, you know. The man them say a cheap truck, the man buy, I tell the man and say, probably that the truck they work more than that.
so that's how you really
About
come
much
on
tree?
me yard.
About one tree?
Around $5 million for your truck.
5 million.
Yes. And whatever you think, do just stop thinking about it.
Oh, cause I say, I tell the man them say, brother, that truck they have to work more than 600,000.
Marlon, me and no idiot, you know, me know we are pre, you know. Do not think about if it go trouble T-Ray truck, you know.
So what you know want some of my money too? Eh?
No,
Look how me make you live good. Eh? Me care around the place. Make you live life, brother. Make you meet all a bag of girl, bro.
Brother,
Eh?
what kind of life you really make me live? Brother, at one time me and you go out, and when you make me come thief cement. Other than that, you can't give me one little chum change in my hand.
So,
And then, brother, just leave me alone. You
Yeah,
see
man.
what? You see your criminal activities, just leave me outside. You see truck, leave it alone.
brother, you move like a too much Christian thing. You know, so you grew up in a too much house. You have to go see road, brother. Go see life. Go see what it's like. You understand?
Marlon. You see whatever you think about, just leave me outside.
Yeah, man, I say no. It's a little thing where they go link you for still now. What you say? You see make money done already?
Bro, I literally $5,000 you can't give me in my hand.
Alright, so me I tell you say you want more money. So me I tell you say we have a
Me
better
no
plan.
want no money, bro. Today I'm a day off. So if that's all you want talking about, me I go back on the road.
Yo, let me live with that dog. Cause sometimes I feel like I say not really overstand me, you know. You understand? You see you them already sick and link me down there, so. Them man, they are murderer. You see what are we? Murdering school we go. You understand?
You know, say I
And you see Camille, me tell you something. You see Camille? Camille are my cousin, you know. I know my cousin can't have me around the place then really. Camille and my girl. You see as I come out of jail, me and Camille that brother. Camille and my girl. So now that make sure I tell you this. We think grimy, brother.
You know, so a long time I know say Camille a criminal. I know say from you come, me never trust you. But you see because I the devil tempt me to do something wrong. And I gotta admit say yo, me wrong in what me do, you know. But you see you are crosses. And know yourself, man. Me I go tell T-Ray everything what go on. Know yourself.
Watch out now. Remember say you're part of it too, you know. So you feel like I say you go tell T-Ray and what? A murder informer, brother. Yo, remember say you spend some of my money too, you know. You do, it was so nice, even for $5,000 I give you. You're part of it too.
You want back your 5,000?
One back with $5,000, I want to you. You're part of it too.
See you are crosses. And you see Camille too, she are crosses too. Know yourself, man. Me I tell T-Ray everything. Know yourself.
Make sure say you tell him say you take some of my cement them too, you know. You understand? And I'm me alone. You hear me I tell you? Because you can feel like I say you want to come inform, you want to come out of this. You can't come out of this, brother. I'm sorry badness come down. I want to you.
Yo, just arrived. They have good news, you know. They get the truck.
When they gonna make a report to the police station?
And sit down to investigate everything.
And the insurance?
Insurance are really for them investigation thing, you know. Anything they take long.
Like how long?
Like all a year or more. I'm out do the investigation. Alright, right now. When them a talk like all a me thief me gonna chuck to box like that makes sense.
So what we gonna do in the meantime?
Can't do nothing. I'm if you do.
See, I have no idea who my thief the
How me if you know who thief you chuck me?
Calm down. Calm down.
I tell you.
I understand you're frustrated, but we need to talk about this because you're stressed.
Talk about me, how me if you do, me can't do nothing. Where you can't do nothing, me can't do nothing. You chuck gone. How me about work, how me about...
Team just a try to be in a little corner. That's it.
And me a pray everybody. Everybody me a pray.
Who is everybody?
Everybody. First I cement, now I chuck. That makes sense?
Walk on.
I see.
There man, yo.
Me see you send me some missed call, brother. Walk on.
Brother, then thief, you chuck my youth.
Jesus Christ. Feel we truck?
Yo. I tell you, I can't even believe to box like this don't make no sense. How you chuck for thief? Who the hell thief check? Of course me I hear that, who thief chuck? Bun rice man, yo.
Yo, T.
Mm.
Yo, forward over here, son. Me something. Tell me.
I not move fast, brother, man. You can't torment man spirit, dog. Yeah,
Camille, can you give me 1 minute?
I chuck man out right now.
Fine.
Yo,
Yo.
you know, see you're upset and everything.
Them no must upset whether you talk about. Eh? You see Chuck gone. She know what you go do? Eh? No money can make again, dog. No money can get. I whole lot of money that me put in that already that make. The whole lot of money gone in that Chuck and now Chuck gone, brother.
Brother, we can bounce back from this.
Yeah, right now the be a darkness me a pray in a cause. I have to get back my things, and when I get it back somebody will feel, you know.
Yo, me don't want to talk. Me don't want to talk, so bro. But me have an idea of who want to take a truck, you know.
You have an idea who might take it. Brother, you listen to yourself. Or if you have an idea who take it up.
You know what I mean,
Why they come here, just come here so you just chat things to backside. Yeah.
bro, you know, so me and your family, I'm not telling no lie. I'm not telling no lie on purpose, but kill me if you even tell this.
What you talking about?
You know, me I start from the beginning.
From the beginning?
You remember I said cement them thief? Remember I said cement them thief? I tell you the truth, Marlon take it. Marlon take them.
Marlon?
Yes, bro.
So how you know say Marlon take his money? So Edis said that to me. And you make him still there, so how long I work said we are?
No, hear me, no.
You are corruption too, you know.
You have to understand my point on this, you know, bro.
We can't understand no point on this, man. You make him one thief cement and you make him one still there, so how foot and go on so much things like. And I know you have to tell me that. You have to tell me now for what that for?
Wait, no. Because me involved.
Fun thing.
Yo, T, you know me, no, bro.
Bad man, you're part of this too, bad man. Yo.
You know me, no, bro.
Me
know say
say the corruption too, you know, man.
No, listen to me, no.
Yo, so you can't trust people, you know.
Listen, man.
You can't trust people. You can't trust people.
You have to hear what me say.
Me no want hear nothing you have to say, brother. Brother, you thief from me, your own family, you thief from yourself. That makes sense. Eh?
Brother, me do feel like you take time to push me out of the business. The way how you and Camille move, bro. First thing.
We me and Camille move.
Bro, you know what
So
I mean?
Camille number one.
She not part of the business just like how
Wait, no.
part of the
Want to
business,
remember,
so
want to even remember the point there, you know. Bro, listen to me, I say. First thing, you know what Camille say to you, say, me can't become a partner. Because I know, say, she tell you, you know. Me know, say, I know you say.
You look like you know all you look like you know teeth chuck to back strike. You tell me things right now.
Wait, no, man.
And
Then,
me meds right now, cause I don't know how you know so much. And you decide if you want to tell me now. Eh?
first thing, you know, want to become a partner. Then afterwards, wanna cut me money.
The money no must cut if things missing. You know what make your money cut.
But bro, you never say nothing to me. You make me feel like me I just one of them man there I mix some cement and I work for you, bro. Me feel like when I push me out of business. And Marlon come to me and I show me a premium and say, oh, you don't rate me. So because of that, me help him for thief to my cement. And I never know say I got thief so much, you know. I 5 bags of cement, me tell him say, oh, for take, you know. And the man carry some other man and take 15 bags of cement. And then yesterday, he come.
You better you're tapping it. Me even want to hear nothing more. I know I don't more.
No, you have to hear this.
That make no sense. None of this now Kabaki cement, none of this now Kabaki truck.
Because a Marlon take a truck. He come to me yesterday and say, oh, me with thief a truck. And I say, no.
Marlon take a truck.
Because he come to me and tell me, say, want thief a truck. And I run him away and tell him, say, oh, me not depend that. I him thief a cement. I understand, say, oh, me involved in a cement, you know. But I him take a truck.
Yo.
Bro, you have to understand me when I say. Me never want this, you know.
See you youth. Wicked brother man, you know.
Alright, you can't blame me for everything, you know, but you need to know the truth. Yes.
Wicked brother man, you know. Bastard.
And if you think I lie, me I tell ask Camille. Ask her.
Camille.
What kind of crap
Yo,
shit out here telling me?
What go on? But the two no what go on. Shane, talk to Camille, you know. Camille talk to Shane, you know. The two know something what go on, so I don't know what go on, I don't trust the two you know. You see me?
T, what you talk about?
Just own up to it. Me know, you know.
Own up to what?
Me know, so me wrong in what me do for help Marlon thief for cement them, you know. Me agree.
Oh, really? And
Me.
you thief the cement them?
Nobody
Yeah,
come
like
to
a
me
surprise.
with that, you know.
I am surprised. Why would you be surprised?
The whole of a thief from me.
Who is Uno?
The whole of
Me
me not trust nobody.
Me be honest, say, oh, me help him thief for cement, you know. And me know some wrong for that, you know. And me feel guilty until this day, you know. But me know, say, you know about it. I gotta tell you why. Because guess what, no T? Because Marlon and Camille cousin, you know. Marlon and Camille there. And Marlon tell me that.
Oh,
Look
no.
in her face and ask her.
What?
Look in her face and ask her if they not there.
What?
First of all, every liar is a thief. Wait, T.
What?
Oh, you can believe one liar though?
Don't bother with that,
Where's the
you know.
Marlon?
Marlon and Camille there. Them a lie to you.
That's not true. I have no
She know
idea.
about the thief in cement and she know about the truck. And me know say me I want bad person for what me do, you know. But me I gotta be honest with you.
No, listen.
The Marlon and your cousin?
Yes.
How?
You mean how?
Stop telling man lie. You know the truth.
You need to leave.
Yo,
Yo, no sir.
yo,
Me,
T.
just listen. Me no want nothing going to chuck. Listen, not just listen. Listen to me.
No, it won't left the place, man.
Left which place?
No move out of my space. Me no want to know someone it won't a thief and criminal, man. And yeah, you fear, man. Yo. No, sir.
Team, I promise you, where I say, I have no idea about where I say. I'm not going to chuck iron cement. Which cement?
Yo, T.
Yo.
Me give you some time.
So you mean
you
if you tell me, say,
know. Me give you some
I'm a
time.
thief cement.
Later.
You can man to go open.
Why the hell you talk about?
No, man. I mean, you better you go on your ways, man. You better you go on.
But where are you going?
Everything good.
Team, me I talk to you.
Talk to yourself, man. Talk to yourself.
See,
Yo, no, let me carry no, man.
where you go? We need to talk about this.
Come in.
But take up your things about the house. Yeah, me no want to come back here and see you.
And I say you handle
Yo.
them kind of situation here.
I saw me a handle for me situation.
See, listen, I understand
Listen,
you're
listen,
frustrated. You can't believe
report it
she.
to police, you know. Because you're part of this, you know. You're thief, cement, you're a thief, me truck.
I
You
did
hold
not
on, you know.
do-
You're
Shame.
in a mall and you hold on, you know. So, you hear me I say, take up your things them from outside house and left. So when I come back, I see you, I want to deal with you. See? Because you make me do your things and I'm not there, you know. I'm not going to prison for you, you know.
Team, let's go where. Team, here, talk to you. Here. Team, don't do this, don't do this. Marlon. What is that there? Eh?
You know, tell me say good morning, you come and come talk about what this is.
Why the chuck there your gate? I say you dry eye? Your teeth for chuck and park it to your gate? You don't care.
Right now, fool you take man for thing, you know.
Oh, me I take you for fool? Just care about the chuck.
I mean, look for when man I tell us someone you come spend time with me. I think a joke, I think say the pot did a bubble over at one point.
You thief in the chuck, what that have to do with me?
You know, give me no attention.
Oh, so you
Camille.
act out, you're a teenager.
I'm here, man. Me need my attention too, you know. And plus, you not want to give me no money, no sensible money, you know. You can pay man like I say, man, a boy.
Yeah, because I'm responsible for you. Me your mother.
If I say I'm a girlfriend, my girl, not because of that man, you know, man. It was a deal between me and you, know. I'm come on road now, you know. And you still are going like I say, oh, I'm here.
You come on road to take care of yourself and get back on your feet. You're still going to wait for me to take care of you. Me not see you put in the work. All you do is go on a thief. Something wrong with you? You lose your mind?
Listen to me. I do what was necessary, you know. It was my democratic movement, this. I just made my thing, this. Isn't it?
So what the plan with the truck? You gonna sell it?
Yeah, go sell it and see if we can get a piece of food off of it. Isn't it?
And then what gonna happen? You're not going to jail.
Oh, me not go to jail.
Because you're so big, bad and brave, you have the truck park up right there so everybody can see say a T-Ray truck. Everybody knows a T-Ray truck, you know?
Yeah, but are you alone there and run as a no? I'm telling you, I'm going to sell the truck and see if we can get a piece of food off of it. The best thing I do, you come on too.
What?
Come on.
Listen, me done, you know. Me done. So me and you not selling a truck. First of all, I should have walked away from this when the thief the cement them. Me don't know why me stick around for and wait for the chow.
Yo, they may always say, you know, you go fatten fall for mangoes, you know.
Who you fatten? Who you fatten? Because me I do all like hard work and me I feed you, so who you fatten?
So I'm not in jail, I'm in jail.
You never got jail for me, eh?
I mean, make all of this happen. Me tell you say you find somebody and you find somebody and I say, you take me out of jail. Now you want to come boy, you can left me.
You say you talk all like good things that I do for you, what you do for me. You put me in a bit of misery. The one good thing where happen to me, you make it walk away.
You know, are this you come about?
Yes, bring back the choke. I'm done with you. And when you see me, don't talk.
Listen to me, listen
Don't
to me, man. Bring back this truck. I'm going to sell this, you know, and if you feel like I say, you go inform me, you know, remember we know if you do it informer, you know.
Me no need to inform you because all of this in the streets already, you know. You have to change your ways.
See, remember if you see I'm lying here and there for here. The best thing I do is you see I'm blind, see I'm blood fire there for here. Or what? Yo. I drive out now, you know. You say you ready for you have the money and everything. Alright, I drive out now. Give me about 15 minutes. Yeah man, we so come. Look at me.
Over this way, boy. Hear me now? Let me your bicycle now. And then you go around this way upon it here. Yo, circle so.
Look who is here. The king of Petersfield. At least he once was.
Once was. Where I come with? If you like a movie this, you can this man, I'm gonna lick you in your face, you. Matter of fact, where Chuck there? Cause you say you have link for sell the Chuck, and when I come and say no, I don't see no Chuck. Where Chuck have my money there?
Yo. You know what I know say?
Like a rampy the thing you out.
Brother, the boss find out. So me take the Chuck. You have people on camera.
And
Police get involved. Police come back for Chuck.
police come back for your Chuck. You give them the Chuck and you don't get locked up.
What's not because me have to tell the man them say brother.
Brother, give me money if you give me money. Yeah, I buy park up on your yo, brother. Give me money if you give me money, you know. Right now to adapt me and tell you, yeah.
I want you to
Give me my money now.
brother, say one me. I shoot me and tell you, you know.
You like a dark, you want me get dark and do something you out. I something you want me do as hour.
That's right. Me I tell you say. I know I get this thing twisted. I'm show you a pre now. I'm level with it, you know. You see me? The thing I don't like playing time there, you know. You see me? Thing grimy, you know. You understand? Yo, move France a good.
What you try to tell me say?
I'm tell you the time. I must say thing grimy, you know.
Okay, so certain come down.
I'm tell you the time, man.
I want to tell you the time. Where I go, sir? Eh? Where I do? Boy, have money then me know you.
Please, please, no do me nothing, please. No do me nothing, please.
Yo, you never show a killing me know you. Yo, me never want you kill him, man, brother. A feeding tree in a youth. Yo, come on.
Man, where you come here, man? I'm tell you, man.
I know say you don't want to see me right now.
My meaning no talking, my youth. Oh, Lord. That corruption, brother. That corruption, man.
Bro, you're not even drink. Why you drink? You should not even drink no alcohol right now.
Alcohol nah do me nothing, brother. You see me? Oh, God.
I want to say sorry, you know, cause me know say when me do wrong, you know, and me accept that, you know, say, oh, me know say, me wrong for do what me do, you know.
You still do it, though. You still do it. I make you look like say, like you not do it. You do it, you know? That one like you not do it. But
Understand, you know, bro. When me, remember say, you know, after a long time, me I tell about Camille, you know, and because me just feel like they have put Camille over relationship as cousin, me just feel like, yo, you never rate me. Because remember saying after a long time, me I tell about the partnership. And then you go to Camille and she said no.
brother, yeah, me and you there, so brother. You mean? And me and you do you thing, you know? That one like me and you do you thing, brother.
Yeah, but me feel like I don't really me and Yadi. Me feel like me just one man who just a work for you. You have to understand, you know, me just feel like you never rate me. Because remember saying, you know, me ask about the partnership, you say no. Then afterwards, my money get cut. And that's why I decide say, oh, me and Marlon go thief some my cement.
Brother, but you know say say man a criminal, brother. You really do that, dog?
No, me never
Or
know.
you fi do that, my youth? Or you fi side with the man and do that, brother? Me and you there and the man they new one come here and you go side with the man and do that. Watch this. Look over there right now.
Me understand say you're me wrong. But me never know saying you go thief so much cement. And him, me can't be honest, you know. In time me saying that pre-truck, you know. But me tell him say, yo, don't do that. Me never know saying really would have go time we are and just thief a truck. So me really sorry.
Right now, we have to go away for insurance to pay for that and that. Nah, pay for no, you know, man.
I broke you make him man broke with foot. Broke with foot. Eh? And the wicked one they see him have to left his place to brother.
I you know say
Yo.
come up on you some Marlon dead.
Then you fi dead a long time him fi dead man. A wicked brother that the man. Him and Camille wicked. You see me? But I just saw people stay. So I not trust people, I not trust nobody but myself.
I'm sorry.
Everything good man, everything good.
I just want you to know say no matter what me and your family, you know.
But be not tell her that. Be not tell her say me and your family. From him get go, me I tell her say we are family, we are family, brother. We are family. Can't make people come in and trick us up. You see me? They make them destroy something good where we have a go on. Look how everything I run smooth and I go on. Eh? No come like a start, we have to just start back over now, brother.
But me promise you know, said this never go happen again. Me just hope you can trust me.
This can't happen again, you know. So it can't happen again. You see me? Because if something much as close, if my mind even tell me say, you move one speed of sun, me done with you. My mind, anything my mind tell me. You understand? Family or no family. Because me forgive you, but me can't forget. I have to understand and know that.
Me know.
You see me?
Me know
Everything
say-
good, man.
Me know say I go need time.
Everything good. I just saw life go. You see me? I just saw life go, brother. Everything good, man.
But we good, fan. We good, bro.
We good, man. Everything good. So there I go and easy I clear my mind, you know? Enjoy the sun with Jack for me right here, so nice shade.
Oh yes, it's another one, yeah. From Richard Brown Fields. What public report of the ask is a question. Hey, how you deal with a thieving partner? How you deal with a unfair friend? How you deal with a president? What think of him alone for your money to spend, yeah. How you deal with betrayal in business with your friend, yeah. How you deal with this, yeah. Tell me how you deal with it, yeah. Men I like when people get me for fool. No, mama says sunshine about to lose your cool. But Chacha, when you always who you just try to take up the fool. But me a real madman, so me a figure out in the tool.
Just like when you do 10 years, your son are going to do 10 too.
You think you can diss me? Little boy, me too. You think me a beat me? I'm a little sister can't chill them. Play with him eye. Watch me dread. Yo. Mama can't rise up to you quickly. Bow. Mama can't. Them dead enough.
Just remember saying I'm not nice here, chat to. Allah boss here, chat to.
Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, baddest thing in a Westmoreland. You can't diss me, we have done the thing right. Time come now, turn off the light.
Welcome back a road, mother, man. What happened to you, man? Come on. Anybody try to change the code, you don't give them the code.
Sean, what?
Done Kingston.
Don Kingston.
Yeah, man.
So you say, no, I bury to them, no, I desert eagle, no, Ruga.
Yeah, man, me have a berry top on my belly.
I'm going to give you back to the manager and she's going to tell you how much money you're going to pay to receive this porn.
Prison on a bed of road there.
Javi, say your settings. You know what? You know what? I'm going to tell you, you know, because all of this wrong in so many different ways. Then alter your settings and I'm going to tell you, man, you get yourself. I must say, me a thief is cement, you know. Right now, an action.
When we come out, me and Camille, so brother, I want to tell you, me carry go along a QQ, make y'all sit down for you.
That's all right.
Eh? Look how y'all live good.
Say that again, Alton.
Eh? Look how y'all live good. Me carry go up on the street. Me carry go places, make
Nobody can't disrespect me, though. This is me, you know. Alright, come again.
Yo! To me do what was necessary. Me accolade. No. No. What they call? What they call in politics? No, man. Let me use it enough for the man. The big scenario you see I'm blind here and rotted deaf.
Listen,
Yo!
Wait, the other part come before this? When you talk about the money? Why? I thank you for that check.
Before that was like what kind of check you show?
Alright.
Man, you're being unfair, man.
What? Yeah, man. So make time for me then, man. Think.
Man, I understand the situation. We say I'm the side, man.
Yeah, but side man have needs to, you know. I want.
So what way you need?
Jessica and Alton here.
Jessica, Camille, Marlon. Come again. Action.
You see me? You need things. I can't do my thing, man. I just walk down when I'll be
No, man, not touch up his son, brother. Where I used to build the place.
How did someone come from?
Oh my God, can't touch it.
Yeah. No touch up his son, bro.
Girl, you can't tell me this. Play that song, brother. You pick it.
Yeah. Stop playing that song, you pick me.
I'll tell you nothing about the side. No way you.
Ready? Come again, Javi. Come again. Go back. Javi, come on. I look so careless, Javi. Walk. You love Javi already?
Shit.
That's a Javi.
Tap, Javi. Tap. You love shit.
Stop right there, son.
So you're not heal up Shane before you go in. Ready, Javi? Action.
I want sir. No, boss. I'm from here too tight. Show ownership.
And you shaking.
Yeah, man. I'm a shake. I have nothing for you.
No, say me I talk to you and you're going like a joke thing make me the pan. Eh? No, say me I talk to you and go like a joke me the pan, boy. Yeah, man, hold it, man. Take it out and pack it, you know. Oh, sorry I do it.
Eh? You can't make police here work with cement tonight.
Come in, Javi. No,
You can't make police here work with cement tonight, brother.
Yeah, all right, thing that you tell him.
walking. When you start walking, you see, man.
So quiet. Yo, like straight up the argument, brother. Yeah. Yo, think about that, man. Get it together, man. You want to make it then?
No, mother never tell us say you know for drive, bro. Me alright, we gotta take taxi.
Boy, you make it look some man. You know, say it no matter to me, man. Yo, just get up and just walk off, cause you can't hide it no longer. And then they just ask him, say, yo, you alright? No, man, me not character, man. Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah, man.
No, me we talk about that. You talk to Camille about that and Camille will tell us. Why be so crook, them now, say, man. Yeah, man, so tell me, say, yo, you're not giving a shares in that business. I want to tell him to Javi, no? Alright. Let's see what you're doing. But sometimes it's alright. No, that's Camille.
Right.
Wait, but we chat a little bit more, man. By the way, well, me not say me should have eat, you know. I me not say I know me should have eat, you know. But really and truly, which one she there right now?
Exactly. You're telling me instead of like AC. My mother. Gonna be man.
I said, he own like car or something.
Oh. Don't mash up Mr. Dali house, man.
No, that's for me.
Yeah.
So you have to say,
Where are you?
you have to say him say. You have to say him say, Jay. Wonder what it get himself in charge.
Oh, yeah, man. Don't mash up Mr. Dali house, yeah.
You know we buy them lunch.
Just so you buy them oxtail.
So in our constitution for eat lunch and anything.
So want to fried chicken, you want to curry chicken, what?
Me allergic to
Want to
chicken.
chicken back, what? Ah, me need to eat lunch, eh? No, so, what kind of family no be?
Team, I can't do this right now.
Me can't do this either, what kind of family no be? No, sir. So you mean to tell me, sir, on top of foods are going missing?
Are you want other oxtail?
What? No, I cannot talk about oxtail.
I mean, hey man, what I'm tell you.
Why you want to argue in front of them?
Hey
That is
man,
not professional.
hey man, we feel never still.
I don't know, I'm corrupt. Make me snap.
Alright, so don't Jay. So yes,
So we don't find out, you know, man. We don't find out, you know, man. You have to check out all the oxtail and then sit there when you have,
Yeah, but oxtail again, also.
Accent.